jumping, cross the legs, right or the left on the thigh, feet together. A, lock the chin to chest. 1, 2, relaxed face. 3, soft shoulders. 4, 5. B, Nava, rise the chin, right up, left behind, lock the fingers, head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Dasha, release, hands to floor. Ekadasha, lift up. Dvadasha, Chaduranga. Trayodasha, Urdhvamukha. Chaturdasha, Dhoomukha. Left side. Panchadasha. Jump through. Prepare the legs. A. Shodasha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Saptadasha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Astadasha, release the hands. Up, Ekonavimshatihi, Vimshatihi Chaduranga, Ekavimshatihi Urdhvamukha, Dve Vimshatihi Adhomukha,